Okay, so I've been waiting 5 months for what's in this box. Check it out, Marcassini wheels. Let's take a look. Oh my God, look at that. That is awesome. Absolutely stunning. Oh, that's beautiful. There we go. That is awesome. Absolutely beautiful. So now we've got to get them on the bike. So I'm going to head into my favorite shop in Brisbane for race gear, or one of my favorite shops, Race and Road. Let's get into it. Nice, I can't imagine trying to do this without a machine. Bugger that.
No. And then we line up the red dot with your valve.
On the red dot on the tyre, and then just
that's your
nice little push.
Helps balancing it.
Yeah, right. Oh, look at that.
Pretty well done.
Barely even moving. Perfect. Okay, so we're gonna have a quick look through the shop, and I've got to be honest, now I've seen those wheels with tires on, I almost don't want to sell it. They look so wicked. Oh, I want to show you something real quick. LS2 FIM homologated helmet. This is awesome, and this is such a nice helmet. Probably the cheapest FIM homologated helmet you can get, and come and check it out. But I want to show you something else really cool, which is Australian owned Foresight helmets. These things are wicked, and we are looking at getting one because they've got the built-in camera. So how cool would that be? Look at all the accessories. That means that we can actually run the track without having to have a GoPro in a stupid position, and we'll get some really cool footage. So we're gonna save up. Hopefully I'll get one of these for Christmas. Hint, hint. And yeah, imagine the footage we'll get with that. But anyway, come check out this shop. We have got absolutely everything. Some of the coolest helmets on display. Actually, let me show you these. The Thunders. These are really cool, the LS2 Thunders. I think we've got some awesome Nolan X lights as well. There's everything from Monster Energy to I think we've got some Marquez and Red Bull inspired helmets. Good old classic gold. They're always beautiful with the carbon. But let me show you the suits as well, because these guys have their own brand called Recondi Race Leather, and it's all about the angry koala on the back. If you have a look, let's find one with an angry koala. Oh my God, now that I say that, there's no angry koalas. Anyway, this is their gear. Come check it out. They do have other brands as well, but Recondi is their own personal, you know, it's Tech Air compatible. This stuff's awesome. This is what I actually use, and it's what saved my ass a few times, to be honest. I got a few scrapes and bruises because of it, but yeah, come check them out. Awesome shop. Right, let's go get these wheels on the bike. Okay, now I know a lot of you guys want to hear this thing fire up, so we're actually missing the switchgear on the left, but that is on its way shortly. Let's start it up for you, shall we? That is loud as hell. What a day. I have gone like 400 kilometers back and forth getting stuff organized just to get these wheels on the bike. First time I'd ever put a chain on, pretty obvious. I think we all saw that. And how good do they look? I'm just super excited at how awesome this bike is looking. And we've still got another episode to go. We've got to do all of the brake upgrades. We've got to do the tuning. We're going to be looking for around about 209 plus bhp at the wheel. So this is going to be a serious beast. We are considering selling it, so see how we go, because we've got quite a few projects. Right behind me here, we've got the V4S that we picked up. So if you haven't seen that, check it out. I'll put a link in the top right to that video. And we also need to clear off this workspace for something else. So you'll see that very soon. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, you know the drill.